So what's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew, Vic, and I got the JoJo Lena with me. And today we're going to show you how much money we make picking up trash in this dump truck right here. It is a NPR gasoline light-duty dump truck. So we're going to take you along with us, and we're going to do it like Ray is the entrepreneur. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yep, if you stay till the end of the video, you will find out how much we made today.
And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, follow along. Now let's talk trash about the startup cost of having one of these bad boys right here. It's an NPR light duty gasoline 2019 Isuzu, and it only costs $63K out the door.
I know what you're thinking. $63K? I'll never be able to afford that.
And that's what I thought. But this thing's a moving billboard. Every time we're driving around, what are we doing, JoJo?
We are advertising.
And we are making money. So my insurance on this bad boy runs me around $500 a month. My payments are around $540, and I put $30K down. Now in California, check it out, guys. You gotta have your California number, US DOT number, your sticker for permit waste. So check it out, you gotta have these. California gets you. Not in every state, but out here, they get you. And this box is 10 feet in length, 8 feet wide, and 4 foot tall walls. And if you guys get a dump truck, make sure you guys get one with an electric tarp. That is a game changer. And we got the lift gate on this bad boy too. Makes life way easier. So yeah, that's the startup cost. And you don't need a certain license to run one of these. The only thing you need is a normal driver's license. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That's right. We get a lot of comments of people asking, do you need a special license for one of these? And you do not.
So we're gonna show you how to make some money today, so stay tuned.
So we are at the first job of the day, and this person found us on a Google search.
So here's the job. This cardboard's going, this dresser's going, these mattresses right here, the stuff on top's going, and also this mattress right here. So it's fast, easy cash. Let's do it. So about 5 minutes later, job is complete, and that was some easy money. And JoJo, what did the customer give us?
Well, our tip of the day.
We got some beer. That's a Christmas present right there for someone. So yeah, we're heading to the next job. And it's in Santa Rosa, California, so stay tuned for that. Hey, give me a beer. We're heading on out. So we're pulling up to the next job, and my favorite thing about owning a dump truck is it's a moving billboard, and this customer actually lives right down the street from the house. He always seen our vehicle and he called us up, so we're gonna make some money real quick, and it's an easy job, so about to knock it out. Now let's check out job number 2, and over here is just part of job number 2. It's all this wood right here. And this bicycle, yeah. You want that bike?
Yeah, no, we're keeping that bike.
All right, let's do it. So guess what my brother's getting for Christmas? Voila, it's a mongoose. Junk removal, you gotta love it. Oh yeah. So just like that, 10 minutes later, me and JoJo are touching more bread than Subway. What's your prediction of the dump fee?
74.
I'm gonna say $86. Let's see what happens. Now the JoJo won 2 jobs complete, and it only cost $66 to dump. How's that feel, girl?
That's awesome. That's great.
That's great.
So we are at the next job of the day, and this person found us on Yelp, and it is a storage unit clean out. And these are my favorite because you can just pull right up and load up. So once you start doing junk removal, you will definitely get phone calls to clean out storage units.
So we got about 2 loads here. 90% of the stuff goes, so we're gonna do 1 load today and come back after the holidays and knock another one out. So it's gonna be some good money. Fast, easy cash. You can just pull up here and load up. So I love those jobs, storage unit cleanouts. So guess what, gentlemen? I got me a Christmas present for myself. Check it out, it's the coolest when I go fishing. I love junk removal, damn it.
There are so many things I love back there. There's these huge candle holders. There's this great big lampshade. Oh.
So much good stuff, and it's a damn shame that the coronavirus is messing up all the donation stuff, because a lot of stuff is gonna end up in the landfill because they're not taking donations, and that's sad.
It is sad. They need to just start accepting donations.
So we're heading to the landfill right now, and we're gonna pick through this pile.
Yeah, it's one of those pile picking days.
So what's your prediction?
After we pick through the pile?
We still got another job we gotta go to, so we can't bring too much home.
Oh, I'm guessing 70.
70? I'm gonna say 112. Let's see what happens. So it came out to 112. That means I won. So we got one at $66 and one at 112. That's all we spent on the dump fee so far. We knocked 3 jobs out. So guess what time it is?
Dumpster diving.
We going through this stuff, guys. There's some good stuff back there. I just gave the dump guy a flat screen TV and he's super happy. So yeah, we'll be digging through this pile for a little bit till we get to the next job. So you're probably wondering, what in the hell did they get? Well, let me show you 2 of my finds. The first one is a crankbait, baby. You know I like the salmon fish, so I got me a pink crankbait. Ain't never gonna dump no fishing stuff. And I also got some waders, baby. I spent $150 on my other one, so I'm gonna throw those ones online and sell them. And what JoJo get?
Well, I love this lampshade. It's huge, it's big. I like it. I know the perfect place for it. And then I found these big, huge, really nice wooden candle holders. And I mean, I'm gonna spray paint it. They're gonna look different. They're not gonna be this color, but they're perfect. I love these. There's 3 of them. One's even taller than this.
And if you guys can tell, we're packed up in here. We look like some damn hoarders.
It's one of the great things about junk removal. People pay you to take their junk away, and some of it is really good stuff, and I get super excited, and I live to dumpster dive.
So we did 3 jobs already. We made some killer money, and watch this video to the very end to find out how much money we made today. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And now we're heading to the last job of the day.
And at the end of this video, you'll see how much money you can make with a dump truck.
Oh yeah. And probably one of the worst things to ever do is pull up to a job looking like this. Got shit all in the cab. I'm not gonna lie, we kind of look like trailer trash right now.
So we are at the next job of the day. It's our 4th job of the day, and this is a repeat customer. She always has lots of stuff in her garage, and when she does, she gives us a call.
So we're at job number 4, and here it is. We got some couches, little table, some barbecue pits, and you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So this is my favorite room, and it's the one I always pull out, and I found it on a job site. You will find so many tools on jobs. So we always love it when a customer adds to the pile.
And this customer calls us all the time, and there's some more trash right there. You know what that means? More money, baby. So we're gonna load it up and knock it out. So just like that, job is complete. And where the hell's JoJo? Oh, there she is way over there. And the perks about the business is you get all cash jobs sometimes. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Oh, yes.
And this lady always pays all cash, and we love her. So we're heading to the dumps right now. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Dump fee this time, I'm guessing 64.
I'm gonna say $73. And I ain't gonna lie, my teeth look pretty white right here. Don't they? I don't know if I'm just dirty or tan looking and my teeth are just shining white, but they look clean, baby. So look who won. It was $76. Your boy won.
That's good. I usually win. So, what do you want, a cookie?
Hell yeah, I do. And a trophy, damn it. So we're back here at the landfill, baby. So the moment of truth. Hopefully you watched the video to the very end. And this is how much money we made. It was $1,947 gross, baby. That's hauling and balling.
And we're done by 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. We worked 6 hours today. And we're in California, so don't get it twisted. The dump fees are expensive. Gas is expensive. The way of living out here is expensive. So maybe you're in Kentucky or Mississippi. Don't get it twisted like you're going to make money like us. It's expensive out here.
It is expensive out here.
But we got some dump fees we got to deduct too. So what's the dump fees, JoJo?
Okay, the first dump fee was $66.
$66.
And then $112.
$112.
And then $76.
$76. So what does that make it out to?
$16.93.
$16.93.
What about the gas?
Oh, we got to knock off $40 for that. So that's how much money we made today. And don't forget, you got to pay your taxes. And you got to pay the helper that's with you.
Yes. If you have a person that, other than us helping, then you would pay.
So you got to put that money away, maybe 25 to 30% for taxes. But if you got paid cash, you can do what you want. And I won't tell on you guys.
That's your secret.
And we made some killer cash today. And I hope you guys like this video. And what do you want them to do, JoJo?
Hit the like button and subscribe. And watch our other videos. If you have a question, it's probably been answered in a video.
Until next time, guys, keep hauling and balling.